What is up, everyone? Today I'm gonna be playing Airsoft with these goobers, because I forced them to. So let's get to it. Nah, I'm not doing a chance. So right now we're waiting for the round to start. So let's wait patiently. We're gonna do a couple rounds, like probably 3 or 4. So yeah. Oh my god!
Bruh!
I think I just murdered Crispy. Oh.
Brain dead!
Stealth! I'm good at stealth. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Got him! Alright, so that was the round 1.
I just wish I could twist your head off.
That was round 1. Now we're gonna do round 2 because I feel like it. We attack! Shotgun didn't shoot. Don't try me, guys. Don't try me. I'm telling you.
These are the only allowed things.
Damn it! They're inside your head. They're inside. Up, let's go in. Oh my god. What the? We lost! Okay, that time it didn't really count as a round because we all just spawned at each other. We spawned in the same area. Yeah.
Hey, Apple.
What? Oh my god! Got him! This time, pellet guns only, okay? Just pellet guns only. No daggers. You could use dual pellet guns if you want to. Just pellet guns only. No daggers, no shotguns. Pellet gun. Oh, he's back in. He's back in, boys. No, I'm stuck. I can't see anything. What? Just shoot! Holy aim, bro. You know what? Okay, this time no rules. Just full on. Yes! Anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe!